okay? YouTube, we go live in 5, 4, 3, 2, T-1, and lift off. What's going on, everybody? What's up? I see everybody joining us right here. Please, first of all, tell me if you can hear me clearly. Can you hear me clearly on YouTube? Okay, let me know. Hey guys, what are you up to? What's going on out in the world? It doesn't matter where in the world you are, as long as you're watching right now. You're part of the WAGMI economy, part of the crypto hustle family, and part of the crypto family. I see you guys on Instagram. It's so good you can watch on Instagram, but I would appreciate it if you move over to YouTube, because on Instagram you will not be able to see my screen. So what's going on in the world of crypto? As you can see, the bubbles, it's all red, guys. You know, there's no way to sugarcoat it. Everything is damn red, especially for SEF, which is up by 72%. Everything here down with double digits. If you are short, you definitely been killing it, making all that easy money. All right, and for everyone else right now wondering what's happening with Bitcoin, oh man, is this over? Is Bitcoin over? Okay, we're gonna look into that right now. What about COT? What's going on with COT and other altcoins? We're going to look into all that today, guys. I also have some really good news, some other good alpha. Just stick around. I'll tell you guys exactly what to do. And I'll also tell you guys another flip on the domain stuff. I haven't discussed about domains flipping for a long time, but right now there is another alpha in the domain space which you guys can go ahead and make money with. So all of that is going to be packaged in this live stream. If you are new to my channel, my name is Crypto Hustle. Well, my name is Gray BTC, but you're watching Crypto Hustle, and this is the most profitable channel on YouTube. Make sure you destroy that subscribe button and tell your damn friends about it so that we can all go to the moon together. So first things first, let's look at what's happening with Bitcoin. I see someone out here saying about COT DAO. Yeah, we're going to discuss about COT as well. But before I even move on, guys, a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. You know, on everything that I talk about or you hear anybody talking about, make sure you do your own research. YouTube is not your entire research, of course, right? So please play it with caution. What I'm sharing here is what I'm doing, and I'm really transparent about it. And I just hope that we all make it. I definitely know what I'm doing, but you know, we have different time horizons and risk appetite. So you have to know what you're doing. And if you understand that, you're more than welcome to enjoy the show. Let's go. So the first thing, what's happening with Bitcoin? Okay, let's cut to the chase here quickly on this one so that we can get it out of the way and we can talk about more important and interesting things like COT DAO and some NFTs that I know that will blow off tops. But first of all, let's look at the boring stuff first. The news. Bitcoin falls about 5% as investors assess global macro risks. So a quick read up on this one says that Bitcoin fell 5.4% to 40,000 range according to Coinmetrics. Earlier to the day it dropped below 40,800. Well, we saw it now drop to 40,100 already. The decline came after a 10-year treasury yield hit a 3-year high of 2.77% overnight. Riskier assets tend to fall when yields rise. On Monday, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite was down by more than 1%. Okay, so look, we can go on and on about this, but I'm just going to break it down to you really straight up. What's happening is that whenever the yield on the US dollar increases, right? It's stable money, it's easy money. Investors tend to run away from riskier assets like Bitcoin, looking for more yield that is more predictable. Like we already know, stocks and bonds and stuff like that, right? Not even stocks, sorry. Just bonds and other assets like it that have a stable calculated income or calculated yield. Whereas stocks and crypto are in the risk side of things. That's why you can see Bitcoin and the S&P 500 and other assets also falling. Another thing that have been going up has been commodities like oil and copper and things like that because of the war in Ukraine and Russia. So I've explained that. Now let's get it out of the damn way. That is the boring stuff. So if you're wondering why Bitcoin has been falling, partly it's because of that. That's number one. Number two, it's also because the play has been played out. Do you know what pumped the price of Bitcoin? I made the video a few days ago saying, yo, Bitcoin pumped because Terra has been buying billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin to put it under their reserves. And now that has been played out, it's done. So there was a rumor that started, and then people started buying into the rumor. And then obviously after the play is done, people start selling off. And also there's a lot of leverage going on in the crypto space on Bybit, Binance, and FTX. So all those guys who were super long are now getting slaughtered like little chickens. You know, you can short Bitcoin if you want. You just have to be damn careful because you can long, you can over leverage yourself, but you know that someone is going to be able to catch you over here. Kimu says, hey, great, Sam here, your video captioner, hope you're good. Oh, bro, long time. We actually have been looking for you. Could you send me an email? I think we have a lot of work for you. So please reach out and I'll connect you with the team and we can do some incredible work together, brother. All right, so let's move on here to a quick CoinGecko situation so that we can also get this out of the way quickly. Quick. We like to do it quick, guys, because we want to move on to the fun stuff. Nobody here is super pumped about the dump of the market. All right, CoinGecko incoming. And here we go. As we can see, everything is red. Bitcoin leading with a 4.8% down. If we look at the last 24 hours, the highest pump that is legitimate with a high cap has been 7.9%, which is GMT, followed by Leo, B, and then stable coins across. Terrible. All right. And looking at the most dumping coins on the last 24 hours before cut down, okay, we're looking at Heart, Rune, FXS, and Theta, and Mina, which are obvious because these were the same coins that pumped harder for the last 2 weeks. So, if you're approaching a bear market, you definitely want to short the ones that went down the hardest. And that's exactly what it's all about, guys. And now I will go into the charts before we get into the juicy stuff and also before we get into the strategy of what to do. Because the reason I made this video is to remind you and show you why this is the easiest opportunity, the easiest time to make money in crypto is right now. Okay? Someone says, can you share the link? If you're in Instagram, just go to YouTube, search Crypto Hustle. That is my YouTube channel. I'm live on that YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel and enjoy the show. All right. So before we talk about cut down and other things, let's just look at the technicals on the Bitcoin side because I know some of you guys are waiting for that. So let's look at the technicals, right? What's going on with BTC really, guys? What's going on with BTC? All right, so this is a daily chart on Bitcoin, right? And you can see that we are trading lower right now. We are even with today, we actually just confirmed with a full-blown tall candle on the downside below the point of control, which is roughly around $42,500. All right. And you can also see, though, on the bright side that we are approaching this institutional macro level where we could see a good bounce back. This is currently acting as a magnetic level for BTC from around 37,000 to 38,000, maybe 39,000 if things play out well. But right now, it's very high likely that Bitcoin is going to retest the 30K levels. I will be surprised if it doesn't, but currently, I think it's more likely going to go down and test those levels. And at the same time, if we zoom out, right? If we zoom out, you'll be able to see that, guys, we have been losing a lot of volume, right? Since this, you can definitely see here that the volumes have not really been that promising. And if I even stretch this out, right? You can see that the volumes have been really questionable on Bitcoin with a lot of gaps, a mixture of red and green in the mix, and the momentum here has not really been something that could excite us for a long time. As compared to this kind of levels here where Bitcoin was really going massively, we could go for over a week with volumes increasing, but right now that is not the case. So all the indicators here, the basic indicators, I'm looking at the MACD and the RSI, they're all in the bearish territory. And on the daily, the nitrous bull has gone bearish today. So that is a big sign. It shows you it's super rare that the nitrous bull can actually get overturned in the same day or within 24 hours, right? So I'm expecting this period to stick around for a little while. I mean, it tried. We had the last signal here on the 20th of February, but after a couple of days, it got overturned with a bullish signal, which was actually true. And then now we're seeing another bear coming in. Okay, if you want to see my screen, go to YouTube Crypto Hustle. That's where you'll be able to see the screen and be part of the live stream. Okay, so currently, if I switch to the 4-hour, here, guys, you will see that we were already at some point, we created a downward trend at the beginning after this top here. After the 48K recently, we created a downward trend, which it played out even below that, retested this critical level here of support of 44,000 level, and it would bounce back, exited, entered the channel again, exited here like music. All right. Somewhere here we exited, and I thought this was a good sign because we consolidated for a while, and the testing of the wicks were on the upside. So you see we were touching the yellow, we touched the yellow line twice. Even though the second one was pretty much a low high, it was still a good retest to the top, but it failed to make that, and now we have been seeing a decline. So my perception was, well, maybe we'll be able to bounce back within this trend here as we're going down within this area. This parallel has also been broken pretty much today. Boom, boom, boom. We're on the third candle for hour and it still is going down. So I don't think we're going to return there anytime soon. We might be able to bounce back maybe around the 39K level, but I think very likely we're going down to $38,000 before we see any hopes of a strong bounce back. So that is really it for you guys. It's not even worth it to discuss like Ethereum technical analysis because everything in the market follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it is the mega indicator of crypto. So we don't even have to waste time on looking at everything else. If Bitcoin crashes, everything is bleeding in the market. That's why you're looking at this. That's why you're looking at the bubble. Yeah, if we go back to the bubble, you will be able to see that everything here is reddish because Bitcoin is red. All right. Moving on. Now that we know what's going on, expect these numbers, expect the bounce back basically to be super, super strong as well. Because whenever you see a market which is highly correlated to a, let's say in crypto, Bitcoin is alpha. So if everything that is correlated to the alpha crashes massively, when alpha moves even by a slight movement of 2%, which can happen in an hour, within an hour, not from now, but at any time, whenever Bitcoin moves by an hour, expect all these other assets to also move really strongly, okay? So look guys, you already know the deal. Buy the freaking dip. I don't have to repeat that. Buy the freaking dip. This is the easiest way to make money. If you have been asking a couple of days like, yo Gray, should I buy this coin now? This coin, I'll tell you, look, if the coin is already up by 50% or whatever, don't worry about it, just wait for the entry. Now is probably the perfect time to start entering or dollar cost averaging. And people get scared because everything is going down. They want to buy when everything is up already. Like, you know, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Keep it simple. KISS, K-I-S-S, keep it simple, stupid. I don't know if you have ever heard that. But all I'm doing right now is to buy massively, especially in the things that I believe in. All right, a quick announcement on the channel, a quick announcement. So
Bitcoin
if you are
price movement detected.
Oh, what's going on? Yeah, if you want to To get started with trading cryptocurrency, I would recommend you scan this QR code you're watching right now on YouTube, or you can go to the link in the description to go to Bybit. It is the third largest exchange in the world, has an incredible app which allows you to buy crypto with your cell phone and a credit card quickly. So if you want to get started with crypto, use the link in the description to Bybit. If you the first 100 people who are going to sign up with my link below will receive $10 in SLP. Hopefully, if Bybit lists COT, we'll be able to do these giveaways using COT coin. Okay, but if you want to get started, I have an incredible starter pack. For those who want to get started with crypto, you just have to follow the link in the description. It's free, and I will help you get started with crypto as fast as possible. And if you want to learn crypto, you know where to go, guys. CryptoUniversity.network, where I teach you guys step by step how to invest in crypto, how to trade cryptocurrencies, how to trade NFTs, how to flip NFTs for a living, how to do P2P trading, price action, derivatives, what have you. Everything that I do, I will teach you. I've been doing this for years. So go to CryptoUniversity.network if you want to take crypto seriously. And let's move on with the show. Link, of course, is always in the description. And if you want to get a discount code at Crypto University, use BTC Pump. You will get a discount. Okay, hey Gray, what's the best altcoin to buy now? Okay, so that is a very good question. I'm reading this from Instagram, but I'll explain this later. Let's just get into something that I have that's incredible for you guys. I think this could help you make money. If you remember, we made some money at some point. I think it was last year. I made a lot of money on ENS, on Ethereum name service, when they dropped their token. They did an airdrop, and recently there's also been something really cool that I came across. Let me find it actually. Where is this? Yeah, so there's this thing called TNS, okay? This is tns.money is the website. These guys have domains. This is the Terra's website. You know Terra Luna? Luna has its own name service, which means you can buy a domain name on Terra, and you will be able to run a website with it. Obviously, you have to pay a year. That's what sucks about it. It's different from the Ethereum name service. But if you're a company that has something to do with money, I think this is a good domain system. So all I'm saying that I don't really know what the future of this is going to be, but it doesn't hurt to buy it. It's like $16 for a domain. You can buy your own name, like Crypto Hustle dot, or let's just say Crypto Hustle. It'll be cryptohustle.ust, right? This is available right now. So I'll buy this, and you never know. You can buy any keyword that you think is cool, like say mine cryptos, crypto mining whatever you think is important, guys. You can buy, and someone else might be able to buy it. Remember my friend Ken Bozak, he sold his NFT. It was buy.nfts or something. He sold it for $100,000 last year, and I've been playing this the domain flipping game for a long time, so I know how it works. Get some domains, whether for your own business or for keywords that are most important, like something like freedom. Let's see, freedom.ust. Yeah, you see, the name is already taken, but there are some words that are probably not taken here. Make sure you connect your wallet and buy the heck out of it. If you're in Crypto University, I will make a video of how to do it with the UST wallets, and I will upload it in the course material and make an update for you guys, okay? So make sure you look into this. You know, it's not financial advice, but it's a cheap thing. Last year, I got about $56,000 for free from the ENS airdrop, and I'm still staking those tokens. I got them for absolutely free. So you have to be part of the game. I know maybe we're a little bit late on this one because they already did the airdrop to people who bought early of the domains, but I know that more of these things will happen within the UST ecosystem. All right, I'll share the link in the description as well. Liam, my man Liam here says, hey Gray, are you in Cape Town or abroad? Currently I am in Habibi. Welcome to Dubai. I am in Dubai right now, and you know, just working from here. It's awesome. There was a lot of crypto stuff, So I just enjoyed being here sometimes, man. It's incredible. It makes me think bigger. Dubai, I love it. All right, now let's get to the story of the day, the court. To all my courtists, you have been waiting for this moment. The number one rule of court is to talk about court. So what I will do, I will go to DEX Tools. Let's go to DEX Tools, guys, because everybody loves DEX Tools. Okay, so I will go to DEX Tools. I mean, we can even go to CoinGecko over here quickly and find out exactly what's going on with court DAO. Okay. Okay. Liam says I should let him know when I'm back in Cape Town, but yeah, I will let you know. I think I'll only be in Cape Town in summer because I know that it's winter over there, so I might go to the US from here. I'm more likely to go to the US and then Nigeria or somewhere, and Europe as well in summer, and then Cape Town as well. I like Cape Town towards the end of the year. Let's see. So, COT DAO. Okay, I know COT has crashed massively. COT DAO, it's bleeding so heavily. Oh my gosh, minus 26% in the last 24 hours. It's crazy. Okay, and this is exactly what I said before. It's really a high risk bet when it comes to COT DAO. But guys, I love COT DAO. I'm not selling anything, and I'm only buying more of this coin. Okay, the rumor is that the creator of Shiba Inu is the same guy who actually created COT DAO, and it's partly what I believe that this guy knows what he's doing. And he DM'd me yesterday. I made a video about this. Okay, but COT DAO has crashed. I'm not even surprised. There is an even distribution of this coin going around. Okay, the people who are the guardians received I think it's 0.5% maybe of the entire coin circulation, and these guys are probably selling the tokens, right? They're dumping, making money, even though they were told not to sell. So that's pretty much one of the reasons. But also there are people who were super early and they're taking profits. But fundamentally, this is from my own analysis, right? I think that if you have been paying attention to COTs, what's going on behind the scenes, the community behind it, I think this coin is pretty much a good hodl for me, at least. It's still around. I mean, the people who are holding or who are rooting for it are good people. And I've heard some exchanges, literally the big ones, the rumors that they're working on listing this coin because it has a huge community push on its own without any marketing spend or anything. So I do see this pumping so hard towards getting listed on, let's say if it gets listed on like Bybit or Binance. But if we want COT to win, if we want it to get listed on the big exchanges, we need to talk about it so that the community becomes larger, and the lower it gets, the more safer it becomes to buy. So if you were asking me yesterday saying, yo, should I buy COT right now? And I was like, yeah, man, it's a little too high. Maybe hold on, or dollar cost averaging. This, I think, is a good time. I'm buying more COT tonight, because if the bounce back happens in the next few days, COT is going to blow off tops. All right. So if you go on DEX Tools and you look at the hot pairs, right? Look, number one is Ape. Ape, I told you guys about Ape when it came out. I'm sure you made money on top of it. The second coin on top coming off is COT still. So on the Ethereum mainnet, the hottest coins right now, number one is Ape coin. Number two is COT, and followed by others. So there is still some activity, guys, going on. Some people just don't see it. Okay, we all know 3x coin was. We all know 3 coin will survive, and that is BTC, ETH, and XRP. I think XRP lawsuit will be done before July 2022. Man, it's like, I agree with you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP, I'm not really too sure, bro. It's like it has the least, it has the biggest holder community, but the lowest developer community, and that is risky right now. XRP failed to take advantage of DeFi. It failed to take advantage of NFTs. I'm not confident that it will be able to catch up with development and become relevant again. Like, I don't see the point of investing in XRP right now when I could be investing in something newer that has a lot more potential and a huge upside. But of course, when the lawsuit becomes positive, you know, it will make money in the short term, but it could be like another Cardano where it's like it's starting to become questionable. You know, if the coin has been around for this long and is not that successful, man, Ethereum, XRP started before Ethereum, just so that you guys know the history. XRP was earlier than Ethereum, but look at the price action. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I can say on that, guys. And I'm still holding my baby cart. Okay. And lastly, I mean, what I can share about you guys, why do I say this is the best opportunity? It's because when there is a time where you can easily buy and have a peace of mind is when things are red like this. Making money becomes easier because the probability of a green day that's big is higher. So you might see that in the next few days, the market, even though it's still in the downward trajectory, you might see that we pump harder for it pumps harder for a few days or maybe a few weeks. Or it might take another month or two to pump again, but this could be the best prices you could start entering in. So all you need to do is dollar cost averaging, dollar cost averaging, dollar cost averaging. All right. Brad Garlinghouse knows that 200 banks that use the RepoNet and they start more projects soon. Yeah, look, it's like, yeah, that's also another thing, right? If you think that, I think it's just a difference of opinions here. I don't think that banks are going to become more relevant. It's like, okay, banks are like the odd play. You know, they were relevant back in the day. But if you're going to, and this is exactly why so many people didn't make money, by the way, with XRP. They were listening to like, oh, banks are with XRP. They're like, whoa. They thought, I even thought at the beginning that XRP was better than Bitcoin because I'm like, oh, banks are with it. Oh, check this out. Governments are with it. But then I realized that, this is a decentralized ecosystem. Being with the banks and with all the governments makes you super slow. That's exactly why XRP is stuck. It is a highly centralized company. Ethereum had the same problem like XRP with the lawsuit with the SEC. Imagine how quickly it passed through that. So fast. On the other hand, XRP is still stuck. So it shows you that if you're going to be centralized, the governments and they will stop you and all this other crazy shit. That's why I'm not so strongly bullish about XRP. I think it's a lost. So it's like Litecoin. You know, it's always going to be there. But are you going to make the most amount of gains on XRP? Try cut down. Not financial advice. Okay. But yeah, guys, I think. Text and say, hey Grace, my birthday, can you send me some card present? I could do that. Comment on my latest post on Instagram and drop your ETH address there. I might send you something for sure. Okay, like you guys, maybe you've been holding XRP for a long time. That's perfectly okay. The most important thing is that if something is wrong, you have to be perfectly fine to change your mind. Just because you have been holding a certain coin for too long is not a good catalyst for just keep holding it. Like, oh, but I've been holding it for 2 years. Like, yo, you could have made more money in 6 months by buying a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, you know. So that's pretty much all I can say about it. But, you know, XRP, maybe it has some potential. Yo. This is incredible to me. We have over 200 people on the live stream right now, but we don't even have 100 likes, guys. Do the tradition. If you love cult, if you love crypto, destroy the like button, guys, to the moon. And it's so encouraging to see that even on the red day in the market, we are still seeing a lot of people on the live stream. I mean, it shows you that the crypto community is strong. Do not get discouraged, guys. We're gonna win, okay? We're going to win this game, okay? Crypto is a long-term game. And if you bought some cart a couple of days ago and you're like, oh man, it's going down. I see some people screaming like, oh, cart is going down, cart is going down. I'm like, bro, I bought $10,000 worth of cart. At what price was that? Somewhere around 50, you know, around 50. And now you can see I've lost almost maybe 30 or 40% of my money already. I'm not complaining. I'm not crying. You know, so you have to know the game, guys. It's a long-term game. If you had, imagine Shiba Inu made so much money for so many people, but it wasn't that you buy today Shiba Inu and you just keep on going up. People who understood that this had the best and biggest community appeal understood it, and they hold on to it. Okay, so you know, you have to really be. Tomorrow I'm going to post an incredible video for you guys, which will help you to keep calm and to stop panic selling, okay? Because the problem why most people are selling so fast when something happens and they're like, oh man, what's going on? Because they don't know, or they have the wrong benchmark. So today I created a perfect video to help you guys understand benchmarking and how you should benchmark your crypto. That's why I stay calm in days like this. I just keep buying because I know my benchmark. But for some people, do not know that. And that's why you're here. That's also why I'm here, to exchange the information. If you are just joining us for the first time on this live stream, destroy the subscribe button, destroy the like button. Crypto Hustle is the most profitable YouTube channel on the internet. Destroy that subscribe button and the bell button to make sure you know whenever I go live. USA, I'm coming there next. I'm currently in Dubai, but I'm going to the US, then I'll be in Europe, then I'll be in Nigeria, because that's where Bitcoin is being used the most, in Nigeria, more than anywhere else in the world. So I need to really be there with the brothers. I need to be there with the Ogas and the brothers, okay? Woo! I see here family Peggy from Atlanta. What's going on, Peggy? Oh, Dance Star, hello, good evening. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Wag me. Dr. Lamasco, what's going on? Sword Wolf says everything is low. Looks great time to buy. Yes. And I will buy from Dubai. It's true because it rhymes. Okay, guys? There is no time to be depressed about the market. People who don't know, they panic. I shared something in the Telegram group today. Let me show you guys. In the Discord server, let me show you. If you are worried, I shared something, guys, to remind you that it's always worth it to always look back and reflect. Let me find it so that I can show the guys here on the stream as well, okay? Where is that? And if DAO is gonna die, I would die with it, because I love this project for some reason. And of course, this is not financial advice, okay? I just love the damn project. And I see so many people here love it as well. Where did I post this thing today? Oh, this is the students only group. Let me share this in, I need to check. Okay, some people don't even know how to navigate our Discord server. So maybe I need to share this with you guys. Screen. Okay, let's get into the Discord. Okay. By the way, my Discord server is absolutely free. You can join in. Link is always in the description. Okay, so you see, I'm looking for one. I'm looking for the CU public. The public one is free. I'm looking for the post in there. And somebody, Mr. Damien, as always, he shared the live stream in there. Thank you so much, sir. And you need to be part of this group. So this is what I shared this morning. It's important to look at things like this, guys. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. It's very, very important. So this is an outlook of Bitcoin from 2011 to 2020. So we would have a year of 1,400% in 1 year in return, followed by 186% in 1 year, followed by 5,000% in 1 year. Then the next year, we drop by 56%. Then people on TV and your friends start freaking out. Yo, man, Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin is a scam, man. Look at this thing. It goes down by 56% a year. Like, bro, do you really get it? Do you really get it? This thing moved from $13 in 2012 and went to $758 in 2013. Then, you know, it went down by half. in 2014, 2015, 33%, then 2016, 125%, and then followed by 1,300% in 2017. Then followed by another 72% drop in 2018. So it's literally accumulating massively, then it would go down with a strong force. Now, if you look at the gains, for example, in the last 2 years, from 2020 to let's say to 2021, what is the all-time high? It was about 60,000, right? Almost 70,000. That's not even a 10x return, if you think about it, right? That was like a 6x or a 7x or something. Bitcoin used to pump, it would pump 13% in 2017. So even if right now you're experiencing a small dip, guys, make sure you're paying attention to the facts. In the long run, Bitcoin is a winning strategy, my friend. Do not get fooled. Only people who watch the news are going to sell their Bitcoin by complaining that, oh man, this Bitcoin thing is a scam. Okay, I'll see you at the top, bro. I'll see you at the top, my friend. Okay, so I'm not really worried to all the people who are crying and, they don't even know what they're saying. They thought that they're going to buy a coin today and then tomorrow they're going to get rich. Bro, you should have bought in 2010 if you wanted to be rich by now, okay? We're all late in this game, all of us. All of us are late. We're trying to catch up and accumulate a lot of alpha as much as possible. That's why we're taking risk like cut down. I'm taking a risk on cut down because if it works, I will become that cut down billionaire. Imagine if Cut DAO does what Shiba Inu did, bro. I will be in the news, be like, look at this guy. He made $1 billion off Cut DAO because I do own more than 1 billion Cut. Yo, let me show you something really cool, guys. Hold on. Before you go, let me show you something so cool. And I have to always remind everybody, it's not financial advice. It's not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. I'm not promoting anything, guys. Okay, now you need to check this out because this is very, very important, I think. If you think the Crypto Hustle is the best crypto show on the internet, destroy the like button right now. Destroy the like button and the subscribe button. Reminder to all the newbies, the links for you to get started are in the description below. If you want me to teach you crypto, NFTs and everything, go to cryptouniversity.network and grab my course. Who is the same person right now who would spend money to pay for a course? Because it costs $300 to get my entire course for crypto trading, for NFTs, for investing. It will cost you $300, but you only pay once. Who in their right mind would do that? Yeah, because it's expensive. But only the person who want to be successful is going to do that. Okay? So here is another card update from yesterday. I forgot to, it's actually from today. I forgot to retweet this, but you can see in the past 24 hours, a total of 0.15 billion card has been burned, accounting for 0.01% of the total supply. The current burned card has reached 1685B. So this is over 1 billion, over 168. I don't even know how to count the numbers. It's too high. The number is too big, guys. I can't even count it. Can somebody tell me what the hell this number is? Because this is not 16 billion. It's definitely more than that. I don't even know what the hell this is. Okay. So you can see this accounts for 25% of the total that was supposed to be burned. So if you don't know, the card is deflationary as well because it started with a huge supply, but it's burning the tokens on the go. So the tokens gets burned and then the supply gets, keeps on shrinking and more and more and more. And eventually we're going to end up with a lower supply. And at the end, we're going to win. Yo, let's get the likes to 200. Destroy the like button. 1.6 trillion. Okay, the smart people here, like my friend Damien here just told me that it's 1.6 trillion. Oh, Damien, drop me your card address on Twitter. Go to my latest post on Twitter and drop me your card address on Twitter. I will send you some card after the live stream, okay? Do that because you're the best, sir. You're smart. You're smart. All right, my friends and family, I appreciate you for being here. This marks the end of another card session, another tempo session where we talk about card. Rule number 1 about card, talk about card, okay? And yo, guys, here is another funny comment, guys, okay? I see another comment here that says, I'm so proud of you. I didn't know you were the one behind DAO. Congrats, Gray. No, guys, I am not behind COD. It's a joke when I say that CEO of CODs. COD DAO is a DAO, which means it's a decentralized autonomous organization. It has no CEO. Nobody owns it. It's owned by the community, just like Bitcoin. So please, I know that at some level this is bad because it could hurt me. Let's say if COD rag pulls, maybe it's a rag pull, and somebody ends up taking all the money out of the contract. People would start coming to me thinking that I'm the founder of COD. I'm not. It's only a joke. It's only for clout and to get people to talk about COD. I'm not the founder. I just love the project just like you. Okay? So yeah, thank you. I just want to make it clear, guys. It's transparent. DAO, COD DAO, COD DAO. DAO is definitely for the DAO, for the decentralized autonomous organization. That's exactly all it is, guys. Okay. Promise says here, we have tried to contact you from Retrogression. We are the first crypto project from Hollywood, and we like to hold discussions with, plus airdrops to your community. Yo-ho! So I am not a big fan of promoting other people's stuff on my channel because it's not really like moral, I think. I've seen a lot of channels are having a lot of slack right now because of promoting projects and then dumping on the community, like Bitcoin Banter and BitBoy. I don't do that. So, but if you say it's good that you approached me publicly in front of my community where people can see, then sir, I welcome you. DM me on Twitter. I will have a look, and if I like the project, or at least I'll ask the community to vote, or we can make a video about your project. All the money that you're going to pay us, we're going to give this money away to the community because this channel is the WAGMI economy. And if you like the WAGMI economy, you're welcome to work with us. All right. So yeah, guys, we're going to vote for this project, whether we should collaborate with this project called Retrogression. If you guys say yes, I will accept it. And all the money we're going to make from it, they will give us some tokens. I will give the tokens out to you. The people. So what we're going to do is the people who are going to be voting actively in the Discord will be winning the money from the community. So make sure you participate, and I will be able to communicate with you. Oh, my man Tijo is in the live stream, bro. A long time. What's going on, my bro, in Costa Rica? The king of Costa Rica. All right, why COD going down? Because people are selling COD, but I'm buying COD. Yo, Tijo, what do you think about COD, bro? A long time. What do you think about COD down? I think it's alpha, bro. Like a lot of crypto OGs like it. No shilling or nothing or no marketing. It just has a lot of a good community push, man. I think maybe there's something here. Katani, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you as well, man. I wish we're definitely gonna meet one day, at the meetups and stuff. When we all get rich, we're going to rent one of the biggest yachts in the world, and we're going to do the WAGMI party on there. All of us rich, reminiscing the good old days when Bitcoin was worth less than $1 million and COD was nothing, and Ethereum was literally worth only $3,000. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Okay. Rudo says crypto hustle to the moon. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure, guys. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram @GrayBTC, on Twitter @GrayBTC, TikTok GrayBTC. Just a reminder, I never message anyone asking for money. I never DM you, but there's so many fake people creating fake accounts pretending to be me and asking you for money. Report their accounts and ignore them. That's never me. All right. In 7 minutes from now, I now have a meeting with the team, the Crypto University team. So let me sign off and prepare for that. But thank you guys for being with me. Let's go hard. Everybody here else right now is being bearish and scared. Like, yo, man, let's go aggressive and buy. Like Warren Buffett, I don't like the guy. I have been outperforming Warren Buffett for the last 5 years, making more money in percentages returns than him. But he said something right, so I have to quote him. Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. It's that simple. Everybody right now want to dump cult, they want to dump their Bitcoin, they want to dump Ethereum. That's when I will be aggressive. What about you? I'll see you guys on the moon. Love you and peace. Cheers.